Welcome to a Sliick Docs Quick Start video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly assign the Sliick Docs permissions, get started by creating a template and publishing, and then generating documents for your end users. Okay, so the first step is to assign permissions to your user. There are 3 permissions: Sliick Docs Admin, which is for creating templates; Sliick Doc Automation, which is for running your batches; and Sliick Docs User, which is to generate documents from the record pages. So let's assign those and save. Once that's assigned, you should be able to see the Sliick Docs app. So this is the template library. This is where you'll first create your first template, and it will be where you see all your list of existing templates. So let's hit the new template button. We'll give it a name, Sliick Docs template 123. Pick an object. We'll pick accounts, but you can do opportunities, orders, right? Opportunities. Could be contacts, any custom objects, but let's stick to accounts for now. And this is a template for accounts 1, 2, 2, 3. It creates, and that's going to create an empty shell for a template and take you to the template editor. So you can see already I had a template created before, and it's just appended a random string to make this unique. Now this empty, you can start by adding blocks to it. Give it a heading, right? Give it some text. You can add images, you can add page breaks, signatures, maybe you want to repeat some stuff, or have a conditional show ifs, and callouts. There's a lot of blocks that are already pre-built. Okay, here's a template that I prepared earlier. It's an account statements. It's got a heading, it's got some text, it's got 2 columns for billing address and shipping address, some account details in the section block, repeating opportunities for the name and stage and close dates, and who prepared this account statements. You can also change the paper size or the orientation in landscape or portrait. If you don't like the margins, you want it a bit smaller, you can change the margins, change the file name output, whether you want to generate as a Salesforce file or not. There's also a auto logging capability, so this will allow your admins to prove exactly what data went into which documents. You can choose to delete these PDFs older than a certain number of days, or keep it at 0 to keep it forever. And as of version 1.2, we now support Word document outputs, and also being able to produce a watermark behind your papers. That is only if you output as a PDF. So let's save that and preview. So when you hit preview, it's going to merge those fields, so you know exactly how the field mergers are going to work. When you're happy with that, you hit the generate proof, and that's going to create a PDF for you to visualize and see, and just make sure that it's all looking like how you expect it to look. Once you're happy with that, you hit publish, and that's going to make this an active template for your users to start using. So from an end user perspective, it's really quite easy. You drag and drop this, the admin will drag and drop this Sliick Docs generator component onto the pages or the objects that you want your users to have access to this generator. And then all the user needs to do is select which template they want to generate. So here's the account statement that we created earlier, or they could be bundles. So a bundle is multiple documents, like for example, a cover page, then a welcome letter, then terms and conditions. That can be separate templates, all merged together as one final document. For now, let's do accounts. You can preview that to see how that look like, right? And then when you hit generate, that's going to create this file and land in your accounts file list. Right, as you can see here, I've generated a few before. And that's it. That's Sliick Docs version 1.2.